Welcome inside our facility. Today I'll walk you through how we manufacture probiotics using advanced biotechnology.
The precise composition of this culture media is critical, ensuring the optimal environment for robust microbial growth and purity. Every stage is monitored for precision and viability. Each probiotic batch undergoes strict laboratory verification before leaving our facility.
And that's how we produce probiotics with scientific precision and care. See you in the next behind-the-scenes tour.